Wow! Can you see that wall? That's made out of mosaic. So yeah.
Really cool.
Okay, I had an idea for a mosaic workshop, and my daughter called it Marinella Mosaic Workshop. So I want to ask her why. I think because you're my mom and you're the artist and you're a great inspiration, this school is inspired by you. She came here 2 years ago. So I found the materials, but the problem was I had to cut them and prepare everything. It took me about 1 year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About.
And she did all the social and also in Airbnb, and we made many experience with our students. We have space here now for 10 people, before until 6 people. So they can come also groups. And yes, I'm working sometimes also outside, so they get inspired also to see my wall, the garden project before they start, so they will have some ideas. The first thing they do is some lines and doing their own design, so they are in their world inside. They don't have to copy something. What do you think about the student, what they're telling you?
They think it's a very beautiful place for this experience. It's very relaxing. It's very freeing. A lot of people maybe weren't able in their daily life to do artistic activities or being spontaneous, and this is definitely something that allows them to explore their more artistic side.
And we take also family and people with little children. Their parents have to help them doing it, so they are together.
This is you?
Yeah.
Amazing. Look at this. Yes.
We
Cool.
also started a YouTube channel where she shows how she does everything. So if you want,
Really?
I can link it to you.
I found those bricks, colorful bricks, and there are different colors, and I cut them ready for the student, like those. So the last thing that I want to say also is thank you everyone who made this experience and left an amazing review on Airbnb and also on Google. I really appreciate that. It helps also a lot for us. When we started the school, I helped my daughter the first year. Now she's doing by herself, and if there are a big group, I'm helping her too. And I hope you enjoy the video, and if you really like it, please subscribe and so you can follow us what happened in the future.
Yeah, and don't forget to like.